How to rotate draft video in TikTok. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on drafts and click on the draft video that you want to rotate. Once you're here, you want to click on Studio from the side toolbar that you see at the right. Click on Studio, and then from the menu tool at the bottom, click on Edit. Then click on Rotate to rotate your video as you want. As you can see, it gives you the degrees, so 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees, and stuff like that. So once you have chosen the direction and the angle you want, click on Save at the top right of the screen, and then continue to edit your video as you usually do by adding text and stickers and effects and music and stuff like that. And once you're done, click on Next, and then share your videos as you usually do. So that was it for this video. That's how you can rotate draft videos on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.